Okay, so let us see this question. This is a conceptual question for your understanding. See, whenever you have expression like this, try to break down higher factorial. The main concept is you have to break down higher factorial in terms of lower factorial. Whenever you have some higher factorial, you have to break it down in lower factorial. For example, in your numerator, you have factorial n and you have factorial n minus 1. So factorial n is greater, higher. So you have to break it down till this n minus 1 factorial. So how we will do this? So this is the n into factorial n minus 1 minus of factorial n minus 1, and in denominator keep it factorial n plus 1 as it is. Is it okay till here? So yes, is it okay till here?
Oh yeah.
So in numerator now we have factorial n minus 1 as a common. So what we will get here? So we will get n minus 1 as a second factor, and in denominator you have factorial n plus 1. Now see, again you have two factorial terms, factorial of n minus 1 and factorial of n plus 1. Which one is greater? So of course denominator is greater, it has the greater factorial term n plus 1. So now we have to break it down till factorial n minus 1. So how we will do this? Numerator will be as it is, n minus 1 into factorial n minus 1, and we will break it down first of all n plus 1 into n into factorial n minus 1. Are you getting this, how I have written this? Yes?
Uh,
No? If there is any doubt, please let me know. See, this is, see Rishit, you know factorial n can be written as n into factorial n minus 1. You can write it next n, and this can be again break it down like n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2, isn't it? So see, what's the
yeah,
concept
yeah.
here? See, what's the concept here? Take it with an example. Let us suppose I have to explain, I have to write factorial 10. What is the factorial 10? 10 into 9 into 8 and like this, so on till 1. You can write it like this also, 10 into, please see, please see, please see. Can you write this as factorial 9? Any problem? This is the also factorial 9, 9 into 8 into 7 into this, right? If someone want, he can write 10 into 9 into 8. After this what? If you are seeing from here, so if you start from 7 and go till 1, so what it will be, Rishit? It will be factorial of 7, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is the pattern. So similarly, if I am trying to see, if I am trying to write factorial of n plus 1, I can break it down till 1, n plus 1, right? Then n, then one step down more, then n minus 2. If I want write here n minus 3, rest all term can be concluded here as n minus 3 factorial. Are you getting this point or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
So with the same logic, with the same logic, I have written this factorial n plus 1 as n plus 1 into n, and rest all I have concluded in factorial of n minus 1. Why I have done this? I have to break this n plus 1 till factorial n minus 1. This is the logic. You have to break your higher factorial till your lower factorial. So this factorial n plus n minus 1 and this factorial n minus 1 will get cancelled out. So we will get n minus 1 upon n into n plus 1. This will be your simplified expression for this question. Have you understood this?
Oh yeah, okay.
Please note it down. This is a good question. Let me solve. See, this is answer. Our answer is correct. N minus 1 upon n into n plus 1. It should be plus 1, right? So please write it down. This is a conceptual question for your reference.